add these two terms containing irrational numbers. Now, when we add, only like terms are added up. Here, it is root 3 and it is root 27. They directly cannot be added up. To add them, we need to simplify this irrational. Root 27 can be written as 3, 3 and 3. Then, this pair of 3 under the root can be taken out. So it becomes 3 root 3. Now the expression is 5 root 3 plus 9 root 3. Now these two are like terms and can be added up. 9 plus 5, the rational part of this irrational, is added directly, becomes 14 root 3. So sum of 5 root 3 and 3 root 27 is 14 root 3. Let's do the subtraction. Subtracting 9 root 2 from this 3 root 8. That means 3 root 8 minus 9 root 2. Again, you can see these two are not like irrationals. First of all, we need to make them like irrationals. So 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. This expression, this term as it is. 1, 2 can be taken out of the root. It becomes 2 root 2. Okay. Now it is 6 root 2 minus 9 root 2. These two terms are now like terms. Their rational part can be subtracted. 6 minus 9 is minus 3 root 2. So difference of these two terms is minus 3 root 2. Next is multiplication of two irrationals. For multiplication, their order should be same. That if it is root 2, it should also be root of something. It should not be cube root or fourth root or any other root. Now both are square roots. Then the rational part can be multiplied directly. 5 8s are 40. And root 2 and root 3, they are multiplied directly. It becomes root 2 into root 3. So the total is 40 root 6. For division also, very important is the order should be same. If it is square root of 10, it is square root of 2, they can be divided directly. If the roots are different, for example, if it is cube root 10 and it is square root 2, then they cannot be divided. To divide them, first we need to make their order same. But here, it is 25 root 10 divided by 5 root 2. The rational part can be divided directly. 5 5s are 25, so it becomes 5. And irrational part separately. It is root 10 by root 2, which becomes root 5. So answer is 5 root 5 when we divide 25 root 10 by 5 root 2. Let's take another example where we are simplifying this expression of containing 4 terms, 2 positive and 2 negative, but you can see these 4 terms are not like terms. So first of all, we need to make them like terms, only then we can add and subtract. 32 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times 2 under the root. Root 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. This cannot be further simplified as it is already in its simplified form. So this term is 5 root 2. Here 1 and 2. 2 2's can be taken out of the root. That means 4 can be taken out of the root and 4 3's are 12. 1 2 can be taken out of the root and that 2 multiplied by 5 gives you 10 root 2. So these are 4 different terms where 2 are positive, that becomes 15 root 2, and 2 terms are negative, 24 root 2. Now these two are like terms and can easily be subtracted. 24 and 15 gives you minus 9 because 24 is a negative term. That is how it is negative. Minus 9 root 2 is the answer.